Hey gang, today we're going to take a look at the Firefox Inspector. It's a web development tool. If you're already familiar with it, then you probably already know how great it is. If you're not, then we're going to show you something really great today and how you can find certain CSS and edit it and basically see what's going on in your template real easy. So let's first look at motif here. This is our motif template, and let's scroll down here to these blocks here. Okay, so we've got this with the great CSS3 effect, but why is that color? That's a question you might have. Okay, so let's right click and let's go to inspect element, and now it's inspecting the element. So as you see down here in our window, it's going to show us highlighted what div it's wrapping. So okay, we've got that one. Let's go up here to the div class news item wrap. That's the whole thing. As you see, it's surrounding the whole thing now. Now let's go over here and see that here's a background statement with a color statement. So as you see, that's checked now. What happens when I uncheck it? Aha! So that's what's doing the color. So now all I have to do is right click on this CSS PHP 211. Okay, let's click on that and let's go over here. It's going to show us on line 211. It's putting a background color. So over here are our CSS files, and look, it's in style 1. So all you need to do is open up style 1 and go to line 211 and edit that, and you've changed the color. So there's a couple other interesting things that I can show you here real quickly about Inspector. It has a 3D view, which you're not going to use too much, but you might want to turn it on just to play around with it and see what it looks like, and how you can turn your site on the side and look. And this is more or less if you've got multi-layer divs and you're really having a hard time finding where stuff is, you can click on this area and it's going to show you what's going on there. Click on this area. So pretty neat how that works, isn't it? Whoa, we've gone really deep. So let's get out of that real quick, and let's go ahead and close out of Inspector, and let's go down here and look at some other stuff real briefly. And so let's click on this area, inspect element, P testimonial, P text. So right here it's CSS PHP 394. Let's open this up and look, there it is in the CSS, and it's in the grid. And there's a few other things that you can do with our templates in Inspector. Let's say that you're trying to figure out where a module position is located and what position it is. So what our customers say. So let's go ahead and inspect this element here, and this is div user 25. So as we see here, we've got our row user 19 through 24, and down here we have user 25. So we can open this all up and see here it is. So this is in user 25, and let's go ahead and check out like a region area. So we'll go inspect element here, region 5. Okay, so this is all in the region 5. So as you see, you can basically figure out just about anything in a template just by using Inspector. Google Chrome also has a good inspector. Most current browsers that are up to date and work really well, such as Chrome and Firefox, have an inspector built in. I believe that IE has an inspector at this point, but for web development we do suggest that you use either Firefox or Chrome. And I hope this has given you a little bit of insight on what you can do to edit your website and make your life a lot easier. We'll see you next time.